Hello, today we are talking about making peanut burger snack. The whole reason we are doing this, giving you the recipes, is because we want to bring it to you, to make it possible for you to decide what to produce. Remember that we are an NGO that wants to strengthen value-adding manufacturing across Africa in order to create jobs for ourselves. So instead of just telling you go to Google and find these recipes, we are bringing them closer to you to make it easier for you to decide what to do so that you can also experiment with this in your kitchen, and the one that you like, you become comfortable with, then you can grow and turn that into a commercial business. Last time we said that when you produce a product, any product, you need to have or to know in your mind the target market that you are producing this product for and where to find them, because you don't want to produce something and find that you are sitting with it and you are unable to sell it. Remember, you want it to move, you want to make money, you want to make profit. So know who you are producing it for so that you can supply those people directly. Also, we said that when you start, often we start with little capital, and that little capital means that our production capacity is also very small. So you are not yet in a position to supply wholesale chain stores with your products, people like ShopRite, because often when you approach them, remember that they are big corporates. Often they will want you not just to supply one store, but to supply the entire city or the entire province or the national chain, and you find that you don't have that kind of production capacity. So the better way to start, we said, you'd rather approach the wholesale that are supplying, or the wholesale from which that township tuck shops buy from. And in that way, often they will not tell you the amount that they need to take from you, but you will supply them with what you are able to produce. And now we go a little further today to say that having supplied the wholesale, the job is not done. It is only half of the job done. Remember that the people now need to be aware of your product, and they need to know what or how it tastes. If it is food, they need to know what it tastes like. So we go further and say that make the people aware of your product. If you have to use your local community radio, go to them and talk about your product so that you make people aware of it and make them aware where to get it. Making people aware of your product and continuing advertising is very, very important. You look at places like Kentucky and Coca-Cola. They have been there for years and years. We know them, but they never stop advertising. You need to advertise your product. Go to local radio stations and talk about them, and find other creative means of making your product available to the people, or the people aware of your product. If it is food or stuff like that, also maybe at the malls or wherever there are a lot of people, give the people a sample to test out and to taste your product, and then make them aware where to get it, where they can get it, and that you've given them small samples so that they know what it tastes like, and continue doing that until enough of the market knows about your product. Always never stop making the people aware of your product. Never stop advertising. So today we said we are talking about peanut burger snack. The recipe will be in the description box below. Like we always say, start small, try it out on a smaller batch, and then you go a little bigger until you are comfortable with the bigger batches, and then you can commercialize your idea and start supplying the wholesales. See you in the next video, and remember that we always say the richest black man is an industrialist, and he is from Africa. There is something to this industrial action. So be one of those people. Be one of the industrialists. See you in the next video. Wish you all the best in life. Thank you. Bye.